Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your ACER Chromebook 315. First of all, restart your Chromebook by opening the control center in the bottom right corner, go into Power Options and selecting Restart. Then wait until your device is restarted. If this didn't fix your issue, then you can try to forget the Wi-Fi network and then reconnect to it. To do so, open the control center, go to your Wi-Fi, select the network that you are connected to, then select forget next to it, and then just connect to it once again by opening the same control center, go into your Wi-Fi network, selecting your network, enter the password to it into the respective field and press enter to connect to it and see if this helped you. And if it didn't, then let's check our device for software updates, which we can do by opening the same control center, then tapping and clicking the gear icon to open settings. Now in settings, navigate all the way down the sidebar to about Chrome OS section and then click check for updates. To do that, to check for updates, of course, you're going to need some kind of internet connection. So try connecting to another network, or you can also try to configure a cable connection, but you're going to need an adapter for this. So if you can, just check if your Chromebook runs the latest version of the Chrome OS, and in the meantime you can try restarting your router too, and after that, after the restart, try reconnecting to it, and also try connecting to other networks and see if it's not a router problem, because if it's a router problem, then you should contact network service, internet service provider, and ask them if there are any outages on their side. And if there are, of course, you're gonna have to wait until they fix them. But if you still think that the problem is within your laptop, then we can go to the system preferences and navigate down to safety reset. So as you can see, safety reset will remove unwanted pop-ups, fix network issues, and more by restoring your settings to defaults. So click safety reset, then confirm, and then proceed with it. Let's wait. The PC should restart. Okay, so all the settings, all the extension, Chrome OS settings and Chrome settings were reset. If this didn't fix your issue, then let's try something else. We can also try to perform PowerWash. But before you do that, you're gonna have to make sure that your files are backed up on your laptop. So if you have no internet access, what you're gonna need to do is open files on your PC and go to your downloads folder or any other folders that you created on your device. These folders are only stored locally on your PC, so you're gonna have to transfer your files from them to, for example, a USB flash drive or an SD card, so that you can recover them later. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is go to your settings. Once again, navigate to system preferences, and at the very bottom, next to safety reset, you will also find PowerWash. Just select reset, then restart and perform a PowerWash operation on your device. And this way, you can do these are all the troubleshooting steps that you can perform on your device. So even if you don't have an internet connection, even after PowerWash operation or factory reset, then you're gonna have to contact ACER customer support service and tell them about this issue, and probably send your device either to them or reach out to some nearest repair center so that they can take care of your device and probably replace some hardware in it, most probably the network card. And so that's basically it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.